tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for professionals and home offices alike. Imagine being able to print large, detailed documents with precision and speed right from your mobile device. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, HP has made it a reality with the DesignJet T650 24-inch large format wireless plotter printer. This isn't just any printer. It's a powerhouse designed to meet the demands of CAD, architecture, engineering, and more. Let's dive in and see what makes it so special. First off, the 24-inch large format printing capability is a huge deal. Whether you're an architect needing to print out blueprints, a designer working on posters, or an engineer requiring detailed technical drawings, this printer can handle it all with professional precision. The ability to print up to 24 inches wide opens up a world of possibilities for projects that require large, detailed prints. Imagine being able to showcase your work in stunning detail without having to outsource to an external printing service. The precision and sharp detail this printer offers are unparalleled, making it an indispensable tool for any professional or serious hobbyist. Another standout feature of the HP DesignJet T650 is its high-resolution output. With the ability to print up to 2400 by 1200 optimized DPI, you get crisp lines, fine details, and vibrant color accuracy that's ideal for even the most complex projects. This level of resolution is a must for CAD, GIS, architecture, and engineering projects, where accuracy and detail can mean the difference between success and failure. The high-resolution output ensures that your prints are not just visually stunning, but also technically precise, allowing you to present your work with confidence. Now, let's talk about convenience and flexibility. The built-in Wi-Fi enables easy printing from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop using the HP Smart app. This means you can send prints from wherever you are, without being tethered to your desktop. The wireless and mobile printing capability is a huge time saver, allowing for a more flexible workflow. Imagine being able to print out documents or designs on the go, without having to rush back to the office. This feature alone can significantly boost your productivity and efficiency, making it easier to meet deadlines and collaborate with team members. The HP DesignJet T650 is also designed for fast and efficient performance. With reliable print speeds and smooth media handling for both roll and sheet projects, you can trust that your prints will be ready when you need them. The automatic sheet feeder is another feature that saves time and hassle, allowing you to print A4 and A3 sheets seamlessly without manually changing media. This is especially useful in busy offices and studios where every minute counts. The combination of speed, efficiency, and automation makes this printer a valuable asset for any work environment. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T650 24-inch large format wireless plotter printer is a revolutionary tool that can transform the way you work. With its large format printing, high-resolution output, wireless and mobile printing capabilities, fast performance, and automatic sheet feeder, it's the perfect solution for professionals and home offices looking to elevate their printing capabilities. Whether you're in the field of architecture, engineering, design, or simply need a reliable printer for your home office, this printer delivers. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the HP DesignJet T650 today and discover a whole new world of printing possibilities. Don't just take my word for it. Experience the power and precision of this incredible printer for yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.